Hey everybody, Blake with RMG Real Estate here, and today I want to talk to you about my favorite time of year, which is winter. So winter's coming up here pretty soon. In fact, I was flying home last night and out the window of the airplane, snowflakes were coming down and I was just amazed. And then we landed and it's not actually snowing on the ground, but winter is coming. And what happens inevitably every time winter comes, there's a lot of agents that experience a big decline in their business. Now, of course, when we look at the market, there's seasonality in different locations. And in our locations, we see a decrease in the amount of business that is happening. But that doesn't mean it has to be a decrease in the amount of business that you are closing. And so today I want to share 3 different things that you can do in your business to make sure that you have a great winter and you don't experience a big dip in your production. So thing number 1 is to realize, and this is really simple, but a lot of the success clues and success tips are simple. They're not very easy. So step 1 is realize that it's going to take a little bit more activity right now to get the same results. So make a minimum daily standard of activity that you know every day you're going to talk to this many people. Every day you're going to add value to this many people's lives. And that would be step number 1. You realize you have to talk to more people, and there's a lot of really fun things going on in the winter time, right? So we have the holidays, we have family time, you go outside and go sledding and snow machining, all the fun stuff. But realize that when you are working, you have to do a little bit more, and that's okay because you're equipped, you know how to do it, and you are the person for the job. So that's step 1, is do a little bit more each day and realize that that's okay. Step number 2 is find other ways to add value to your clients, right? There's a lot of things happening in the winter time, and nobody likes when you just call over and over and over and over. Hey, do you need to buy? Do you need to sell? Do you need to buy? Do you need to sell? And you guys know this, especially if you're successful in this industry. Call with something to offer. Hey, everything's freezing up. Have you taken your hoses off of your outdoor faucets? Hey, it's starting to become wintertime. Have you already done your heating system servicing and inspection? Have you already pumped your septics? Have you already, whatever your list of things are that you know to do, start making sure your clients are doing that and find different ways to add value to your clients. Way number 3 is to host micro events. There's so many opportunities where you can host an event for 20 or 30 or 100 people in the upcoming winter months. It's a great opportunity to reconnect with your clients, great opportunity to serve them, and a great opportunity, honestly, have a fun time. So some examples of this, we have a few coming up. So maybe blood drive. We're doing a fundraiser for a local nonprofit that we're collecting a bunch of supplies for this program. We're doing like a pet blessing at the park. We're doing a brewery buyout here today, actually. And so there's all kinds of events you can do. We do a holiday party where we do ornament painting and delicious food and entertainment, that kind of thing. So really you can choose something and partner with some vendors and spend some time loving on and having a good time with your clients. And that would be the 3rd simple way to make sure you have a great winter. So it's your choice. Winter's going to happen. The business is going to slow down if you have seasonality, and it's your choice if you want to embrace these 3 tips to make sure you have a great winter. And hopefully this was helpful for you and you embrace all 3 of them. Thank you.